Unearthing the Meaning, Struck Oil, Explained. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the world of idioms to explore the phrase, struck oil. Just like treasure hunters, understanding phrases like these can make you rich in vocabulary. Stick around to uncover the secrets behind this intriguing phrase. Before we get into the idiomatic meaning, let's explore the literal meaning of struck oil. Imagine someone drilling deep into the earth. When they hit a pocket of oil and it gushes out, they have quite literally struck oil. It's an exciting discovery and can mean big fortune for the discoverer. Now, when people use the phrase, struck oil, in daily conversation, they're not always talking about finding black gold underground. It's an idiom that means discovering something valuable or beneficial. This can be in the form of information, a talent, an opportunity, or even a realization. For example, if someone says, while researching my family history, I struck oil when I found out my great-grandmother was a famous artist, they mean they made a valuable discovery about their ancestry. Understanding when to use struck oil is crucial. Here are a few examples. 1. Research. I was struggling with my thesis, but I struck oil when I found a book that discussed the exact topic I was exploring. 2. Business. Our company struck oil when we launched the new product. It became an instant hit. 3. Personal realization. After trying many hobbies, I struck oil when I discovered my love for painting. Just a quick word of caution. Like all idioms, it's important to use struck oil in the right context. Saying, I struck oil at the grocery store, when you simply mean you found the ingredients you were looking for, might confuse listeners. Remember, it's about finding something valuable or unexpected in a broader sense. And there we have it. The next time you hear or read the phrase, struck oil, you'll know it's more than just a drilling adventure. It's about unearthing value in unexpected places. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding of the English language. Keep digging, and you'll always strike oil in your learning journey.